Hi, to pair your Marshall Monitor 4 with iPhone, as a first step, open the case and make sure that both earbuds are in the charging case. Now we will need to take a look at its bottom part, and here you would see this black button which we need to press and hold so the indicator on the front will be blinking blue. Let's try this out. I'm holding the button and now this indicator should blink blue. And yep, now it's blinking, so they are ready to be paired. Do not close the case. Just go in your phone settings. From here, choose Bluetooth and enable it by tapping on the switcher. After that, you will need to find your Monitor 4 in the list of other devices. Just tap on it, and now they are connected because we can see the status connected and we can see it in the tab My Devices. That's not it, we are not done yet because there is an app for those earbuds. To find it, you will need to go in App Store and here just enter manually Marshall Bluetooth. The app should look like that, Marshall Bluetooth. Mine is already downloaded, so let's simply open it. And here we got this white button, Add New Device, so simply tap it. Keep the case opened and here you would see the name of your device. You will need to tap this Add button. And now it is connected to app. So now it's time to get listed. Here we will need to tap on Pair option. And after that, wait a few seconds till it will load and we can tap this Continue button. Now we can see some on-screen instructions how to use the app properly with your earbuds. And now they are connected because we can check its battery percentage and we can customize its settings. So here we got touch controls, interaction sounds, autoplay and pause, battery preservation, and about tap. And of course you can update your earbuds here. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye!